Hello everyone, I'm going to teach you on how to make straight through and crossover Ethernet cable. First, you need to prepare all the materials. RJ45 connector, Cat6 UTP LAN cable, of course LAN tester, crimping tool, and last, wire stripper. So let's start on doing straight through cable. In real life, you should not use this short LAN cable. You should use long or longer cable like this. So since I'm going to teach you two, I'm going to use this for straight through cable. First thing to do is to remove the cover of the wire using wire stripper. As you can see, I am moving it in circular motion so that it will be easier to remove the sheeting of the wire. After removing the cover of the wire, it will expose the twisted pair, and there's a little bit fiber on it, so you should remove it gently. And then separate them and organize the wire based on the diagram below. White orange, solid orange, white green, solid blue, white blue, solid green, white brown, and solid brown. After organizing the color of the wire, cut the excess using crimping tool because we don't need that much wire to go inside the RJ45 connector. And also to make your connector nice and clean. Grab one RJ45 connector, put the wire inside the connector carefully to avoid mistake, maintaining the color sequence on the diagram below. Insert it a little bit more to make sure that it is inserted well. Last, grab your crimping tool and clip your connector and the right slot. You'll hear a little lock click, and to be sure, I repeat it 3 times, and there you have it. Good to go. The good thing the good thing in straight through cable is that you're going to use the same diagram in one cable. So all you have to do is to repeat what you did earlier, and you don't have to do another diagram or to follow another diagram. I'm going to fast forward it so that it will not take lot of time. So now we're going to do crossover Ethernet cable. Like what you did earlier, you should remove the cover of the LAN cable using wire stripper. Right now, I am using Cat5 UTP LAN cable. So, after removing the cover of the wire, you should again separate them, untwist them, and organize them based on the color sequence or on the diagram below. As you can see, we have here two color sequence or two diagram, which is the termination 1 and termination 2. So we should do termination 1 on the other end of your cable and termination 2 on the other side or on the other end of your cable, since we have two ends. In straight through, we only use the color sequence of termination 1. That's why it is straight through. In crossover, this is crossover because you can see that it is crossing the line and crossing the number of color. Since termination 1 color sequence is just the same in straight through cable, I won't show it to you at all. So yeah. In termination 2, you could clearly see the difference of the color sequence. So I'm gonna show you how I do it. So all you need to do is to follow the color sequence of the termination 2. You should follow the color sequence of termination 2 correctly. So you have to do it carefully for you to avoid to do it all over again. White green, solid green, white orange, white brown, solid orange, solid blue, and white blue. Again, cut the excess wire because we don't need that much wire to go inside the RJ5 connector. So that's all. Ethernet crossover cable.